Alright, everything's hooked up. Exhaust, throttle, choke, electrical. Electrical's fun. I got these two here. These two wires here. I have no idea what they go to. I have nothing else to plug them into, so. This thing's been butchered a couple times. It's an old model. It used to be a rental, and then she bought it from a rental place. It's got a Harley Davidson exhaust on it. I guess the exhaust used to come out, instead of going out this way, it came out and went out towards their legs. She couldn't handle that, it got too hot, which is understandable. So she had a custom pipe made, run it this way to just run a Harley exhaust. So, anyways, I'm gonna try to start it. Let's see how she goes. Supposedly this thing runs like a kitten. I'm not getting that. Yeah, something else is still going on here. Sorry, bad language. Supposedly all it needed was a new carburetor, which I thought was kind of surprising when they said that, because you saw how rough that's running, and it shouldn't jump around like that, even if it's just got a weird carb. Wondering if the hydraulic pump can cause this, because if it runs just fine when it's not hooked up to anything, when it's hooked up to the hydraulic pump, if it's bound up, pump's having problems. My next guess, I guess. Yep, I guess I'll keep fiddling with it. Maybe I'll have a video here in a minute of me actually having it running, but I doubt it. So, catch you on the next one.